Okay, hi everyone. So I wanted to record a video about deleting payroll results in SAP. And so I have another video I did about running an off cycle and adjustment payment. And so the scenario there was I had an employee, they didn't get their overtime approved in time. They wanted to be paid separately for that. And then payroll actually ran that. And so I can show this here to you with the remuneration statement where we have a separate one-off payment where we have 6 hours of overtime, which is $360 in earnings, and that's $208 to the employee. You can say that payroll period I ran was just this one right here. And so let's just say, for example, there was something else wrong and you just want to rerun this. So the one caveat, and it's very important that I'll put, is you only want to do this, and you want to be very careful with this, is if it is prior to you doing any bank files or anything like that. You just run the gross to net, and you might have to do here, or you're just testing or something along the lines there. And so there is a transaction code, PU01, you can go to, delete current payroll results. And so I can enter my employee here, and then it actually brings up the most recent run. I can press delete. It does tell you this is irretrievably lost. Do you want to still delete? I can press yes, and payroll results for that additional payment is deleted. Now, if I go back over to my off-cycle workbench, you can see that payment that I had was is no longer there. So like I said, tread lightly with this. You do have to have the right authorizations. You don't want to just do this. And you want to be careful that you don't do this in the right reasons. And if you need to do a reversal because you've already done the bank file, you've already posted it, you've done other things, then you want to do a reverse payment, replace payment. But in this case, it's for the specific example of testing, or if I run this but I have not done anything with it. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.